Everyone, welcome back to German class. In today's video, I will be talking about how to improve your speaking skills in German language. First of all, you have to do listening exercise a lot. How can you do that? There are lots of medium on the internet. You can watch YouTube videos, you can watch short films, German news, Deutsche Welle news. You can watch and listen these things. If you listen more, if you hear more, then it will definitely improve your speaking skills. Second thing you can do, read more books in German. You can learn from reading also. Take a book in a very basic level, A1 or A2 level book. You may find on internet, PDF form you can download and read the books. If you read more books, you can easily improve your speaking skills. When you read the book, underline the difficult words and make note of that with the meaning. Second time, when you read the book again, you will find those words again and again. That will boost up your confidence and that will help you in memorizing the vocabulary. Because when you want to speak a language, you need good vocabulary, plus you must have good pronunciation. So that you will get from the hearing or listening. So you must watch short films, Deutsche Welle news, you must hear and watch that with the subtitles. That will increase your listening capability. And when you listen the word again and again, that will definitely help you in speaking skills. You know, when we listen something, when we hear something, that helps us immensely in improving our speaking skills. Second thing I told you about the reading habits. You must have a good reading habit. Doesn't matter, you can read a textbook of A1 level, A2 level, whatever material you have with you. Just take out that book or assignments or notes or a soft copy from the internet, short paragraph, it doesn't matter, it should be in German, and read out. You will find many difficult words. Make note and write down in the notebook with their meanings. Memorize these words and then in a room, in front of mirror, speak out. When you speak out, you have the confidence, you will not have any hesitation. That's another factor that hinders the person from speaking. If you have good vocabulary and you don't have any hesitation, you can definitely become a good speaker. So in order to become a good speaker, you must memorize the vocabulary, you must have good listening skills, and you must have a good reading habits. Follow these 3 steps and you will definitely come off with the flying colors. I can guarantee within 2 weeks to 3 weeks time, you can see the difference and you will be able to speak German very fluently. So just watch and listen. Listen news, as I am saying, German broadcast, Deutsche Welle, langsam gesprochene Nachricht, slow German news that you can write on Google. You will find wonderful German news with the subtitles. When you hear in the first attempt, you won't get anything. Second attempt, you get little bit more. In the third attempt, better. So the more you listen, the more you understand. This is the basic thing. So repeat and listen again and again. The same CD, same audio. Same audio, repeat again and again. You must have audio exercises for your exam prep book. A1, A2, B1, B2. Doesn't matter. Just play the audio and listen. Just put the headphone, listen carefully in a silent place, and then you will realize that after some times you have a good understanding. Initially, you don't get anything, you will not understand anything. Don't be afraid. It's a general phenomena. But when you repeatedly listen, you will get a good knowledge. You will understand the entire script in audio. Just a good suggestion. Follow that and write me in the comment.